guys, my name is Mari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the like and subscribe, and if you have been here before, welcome back. Today I will be doing WeeBlessing, and I'm only doing WeeBlessing. I know you guys don't want to see clothing videos, but I don't have any more products to review, so if you guys want me to review anything, let me know down below and I'll try to find it for you guys and review it. I would like to do mainly large pores, oily skin, curly hair, dry hair, things like that. Things that would really make a difference on me because I don't have dry skin, so that will not work for me. Like moisturizing or hydration or anything like that will not work for me. So let me know down below if you guys want me to review anything. So let's start with the WeeBlessing here. I'm a little excited about my WeeBlessing because I went shopping for some clothes. I want new clothes. I don't know why. I mean, I do want some black sweaters because I don't have any black sweaters. I usually have like, you know, yellow and pink and things like that. And trying to find a black sweater is kind of hard, especially because I don't want it to fade or anything like that. So let's see what I get. Hopefully this box is worth it because paying $8 is shipping. If I don't get anything, it's kind of like a waste of money. So let's see what I get here. And let's see. There's a big bundle here. That's my baby in the background. If you guys can hear her, like I've mentioned many times before, it's like she senses when I'm recording videos and she wants to be in it in some type of way. Sometimes she likes to pop in and I had to cut that out, and sometimes she just likes to talk in the background, so bear with me. And let's see what I get on this WeeBlessing. I see something black on top right away and I'm really excited about it. It is a black sweater, turtleneck. So yay! Yay! It's by Chelsea Sky. I don't know who that is, but I like the sweater. So let me get the pricing here so I can tell you guys how much each item is. And for this sweater, it says American Rag, but it's not American Rag. You guys can see it's by Chelsea Sky. So sometimes I don't know where these people get their brands from. And retail price is $48. My price is $25. I'm gonna try it on and see if it's worth $25, especially when like the brand is not even right. The next item, which looks really cute too, is by Lucky Brand, and it's this violet blue dress shirt. I think it's kind of cute. It's a little, I think it's cute. The price is $79.50. My price is $40. I think they go a little bit overboard with the prices sometimes because, I mean, they look like really high prices, both of them. I mean, no, both of them, most of them. Or maybe just for me. I don't know. We'll see. The next item is this pants right here by Apartment 9. I think I've gotten this before, but I'm not 100% sure. This pants right here by Apartment 9. Retail price $48. My price $24. We'll see. The next items is Mac Studio London cargo pants. Retail price $98. I will not pay $98 if I see this at the store. I'm so sorry. My price is $49. I won't even pay $49 either, especially when they look very wrinkled and you have to iron. And I mean, who irons anymore? I don't. Even my uniform gets ironed for me. So Yes, that's bad. I know. Next item is this jeans right here with this detail, which I do not like already. I don't like those kind of lines here unless they're like in leggings or like exercise pants, and not even there. I like this kind of design here. Style and Company. Retail price $59.50. My price is $30 so far. I don't like any of the items besides the first black and white shirt, and I don't know if I'm gonna pay $25 for it when I can just go to my regular store and get it for cheaper. And the last item is this Lucky brand sweater. Retail price $89.50. My price is $45. No, so far it's not worth it. I don't think this WeeBlessing is worth it. Like, even if they ask you what kind of prices you want to pay, they don't even follow that. So I don't even know why they even ask. Like, it makes no sense. Why ask if you guys are not gonna follow it? So far is $25 and $45 are $70, plus $40 is $110, plus 24 is 134, plus 30 is 164, plus 49 is like 200 and my God, $213 for this box. No, sorry, I don't have $213 to pay for this box. I don't know what WeeBlessing is thinking. You put your items to like $10 to $15, I think it was, because I have, you know, 3 kids, so I gotta buy clothes for the 4 of us. I'm not gonna spend $800 on clothes. Now that they're sending me, you guys know what I mean, right? I mean, I canceled the other 2 already. I'm gonna have to cancel this one and only keep the baby, because the baby comes at reasonable prices. No, for $213 for 6 items. Sorry, I don't have that kind of money to pay for this. So far I wasted $8 in shipping that I can't get back. So I guess that I'm gonna have to be like, you know, cut my losses and go. Is that how you guys say? I think that's how it goes, but I'm not sure. But you guys get my point. I can't get nothing from here. The cheapest items is those navy pants for $24. I mean, am I gonna wear those pants? No, I'm not gonna wear them. So why am I gonna pay? Like I said, the only item I like from that is the black and white sweater, and I'm not gonna pay $25 when I can go to Ross and buy it cheaper. Yes, I'm kind of frugal like that, you know, because I change clothes every so often. But I do give the clothes to my family members. It's not like I trash them or anything, you know. They do go down the road and to my kids, and whatever my kids don't like, my 6-year-old gives it to me because we are the same size. We're both medium. So yes, we reuse the clothes, but you know, things go out of style. Not that I'm always in style. You guys know what I mean. So like bell bottoms are no use today, or maybe they are. I don't know why I'm rambling here. You guys get my point, hopefully. I am not going to spend $213 for this box on top of the $8 that I already spent for shipping. That's like, what, $221 for 6 items? Will you guys pay that? Let me know. For now, this is set. If you guys want me to review any items, leave them down below and I'll do it for you guys, because right now I don't know what to find. I do go on Instagram and I do go on Facebook, but the items don't look that appealing to me. I do want to try the Yensa cosmetic, and I do want to try the Il Makiage. I don't know how you guys say it, but I mean, spending $40 for a foundation that might not work for me and then having to return it and do all that hassle. I'm gonna start school pretty soon again on the 15th, so my time is gonna be very limited, especially because I do have to do an internship too of 16 hours a week on top of my 40 hours a week that I work, and on top of my school nights that I do, and on top of my homework that I have to do. So I'm gonna be very busy right now. I'm only uploading this video because you know, you had to be in the YouTube system and things like that for them to keep track of you and hopefully recommend my videos. I also did my nails myself using the polygel. If you guys want me to do a video about that, for beginners, first time ever doing nails, to see how it is, let me know and I'll show you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.